Okay.
Done.
So, okay, I'm going to start. Our 5 mudras are hand gestures. The mudras are basically simple hand gestures. Here, the 5 all energy points in our hands: fire, air, sky or space, earth, and water. Okay, so this is how the 5 elements are spaced in our body and our fingers. So making certain positions, that is called mudras. And energy really affects when you sit, like mudras usually start affecting you when you use mudras more than 20 minutes a day, at least more than 20 minutes a day. This is a pran mudra. So last 2 fingers and thumb, when it comes together, called pran mudra. Pran mudra, and the benefits of pran mudras are like, so many benefits are here. If you guys want to take a screenshot right now, do it. Or else you guys can always go back and check in the recording again. So these mudras are eliminates any kind of deficiencies of vitamins, hunger control, thirst control, like during fasting. If you do this, prana is like energy. The other name of prana is energy again.
Namaste.
It helps, namaste. It helps to manage emotions, all kind of emotions like your anger, mental tension, envy, happiness, restlessness. Like being too much happy, like being acting crazy is also, we have to manage that emotion also. It's not like okay to act crazy all the time. So over happiness, over sadness, so it helps you to balance it out. Again, helps for immune system. This mudra is like earth, water plus fire elements are attached. So all the 5 things which I just said, like so, that is how it balances in our body. It also purifies the blood, enhance blood movement, any kind of cramps and muscle pain in the legs by this illness can be helpful. Sleeping disorders, that there are like many of them here. So this is a pran mudra. Pran mudra is again this one, very important mudra. Next is a pan mudra. This is a good for digestion. So again, this is also called as a mrug mudra. When you know that when we do any havan or ahutis, we do it in a mrugi mudra. So this is a mrugi mudra. Makes a face like a deer. Look at this. Make a face like a deer. So it's also called, because murug is a Sanskrit name of deer. So mrugi mudra. I'm gonna show you of course, it tells you the main benefit of this is the digestion. So after eating, you may sit, I do usually sit in Vajrasana after eating my food, lunch or dinner. When you sit for 10 minutes in Vajrasana, it really helps you to digest your food. And when you sit with this mudra, the benefit gets double. Pan mudra's benefits are it regulates the diabetes, important role in health, and regulates the excretory system, cures constipation and piles, removes blockage of urinary tracts, disorder of kidney, toothache or pains are removed, heart becomes stronger, body which is sweating, like removes the heat of body which results sweating, disease. I don't see the whole thing then here. Bronchial tubes are cured, controls high blood pressure, cures insomnia. Pregnancy is okay, delivered. Oh boy, it just went. Oh, okay. Delivered, if it is regularly practiced for 8 months, it becomes just easy. Yes. Mainly effective areas are strengthening, cleaning parts of the body. So it actually cleans the body because it's a digestive mudra again. Cures vomiting, cures menstruation related problems, burning sensation of a hand, heart, legs, and urine. Sometimes some people complains about a lot of, like my mother-in-law, she complains a lot that she has a burning sensation on the feet. Though the burning sensation happens, she feels cold on her feet too. So both things happen at the same time. That is like a heat and the coldness in the body is not balanced. So this mudra helps to balance your heat in the body. Varun mudra or Jal mudra. So last finger is our air element. So Varun mudra, and then this will go as this one is Varun mudra or Jala mudra. The benefits of Varun mudra is the body's water content, activating fluid circulation in the body. So Varun goes as a water element. So last finger represents water, keeping the body moisturizing, making the skin glow, clear pimples. It's very good facial exercise for all the ladies without doing any exercise. Actually, when you are doing something while watching TV, you just sit in the Varun mudra, makes you beautiful. Reduce wrinkles, reduce cholesterol, reduce stomach ulcers, clean the kidneys, and boost urination. So all connected to water. Prithvi mudra, third finger represents the earth. So goes as a earth, Prithvi mudra. Benefits of Prithvi mudra helps to improve body strength because it again goes as our earth element. Earth element also always gives you stability, confidence, get rid of confusion, anxiety, fearful, fickle, mind andness. Oh my goodness. Makes body and mind more stable and concentrated. It's famously known for improving hair growth. So if you have a problem of hairs, go ahead and do it to improve all this. Yes. Uh, it's famously known for improving hair growth. Okay. Oopsies. Wait. Okay. Apan Vayu Mudra. Now see, the first finger is folded here. It's gonna take a little bit for you guys to practice the mudras. Sometimes not everybody can do it at one time. It's okay to practice, and then you'll be able to, because it's hard for us to keep it for 1 minute also. Our finger gets tired because we are not used to of it. So with the practice, you'll be able to do it more than 20 minutes a day if you are practicing something specific. I'm going to go ahead and do the benefits of Apan Vayu Mudra. It cures nervous system, piles, fissures, fistula, diabetes, and teeth decay, like any cavities in the teeth. Excessive performance of these mudra brings sweat and sweat and excessive urine, which helps in controlling high blood pressure. It cures liver and all gallbladder problems. One gets balance of mind, self-confidence, patience, patience, sanitary and inner harmony by this mudra. It is helpful in curing heart disease. Even suspected heart attack can be averted by practice of this mudra. Body energy channel get purified. It is good for constipation, gas-related problem, and indigestion. Problems, elimination of lesser quantity of urine gets cured. It regulates water flow in the body. And I cannot read the last one now. Okay. It regulates water flow in the body. It helps clearing the body by elimination of waste matter from the mouth, eyes, ears, and nose. So maybe Rona Dhona will be clear elimination of waste here. Shankh Mudra. Shankh Mudra is very important. So for this, you're gonna put your one thumb here, make a fist, and then all the finger goes touch the next thumb. And it can be performed with both the hands. So once I put my right thumb in, I can put my left thumb in here, and I can go like this again for this. So Shankh Mudra is using both the hands, and you can kind of doing reverse exercises. You can perform it with both the hands. Benefits of Shankh Mudra is strengthens your lungs and removes blockage. Very important during corona time. It provides a soothing and calming effect on the mind. Because when we hear Shankh has a very purified sound, which Hindus we usually do it during puja, and it's a significant in our significant of Shankh in our pujas and our culture too. Practicing this mudra removes the negativity and fills the self and surrounding with harmony. Persons with loss of appetite can do this mudra. It brings digestive system on track that increase the appetite. So that is really helpful when people have complaints that sometimes kids not eating enough. So always when they keep practicing this mudra, the appetite will increase. Practicing mudra clarifies the voice and improves speech delivery, which further boosts the confidence. So again, the shankh is representing the voice again. So it actually tells here that you improve your speech with practicing this mudra. If we concentrate on the sound of shankh, it's actually the sound of Om. We can get the benefits of blowing shankh by emulating this mudra while chanting the Om mantra. It's very important. We can say Om all the time, but not everybody can blow the shankh. So it's very helpful when we can just perform the mudra and getting the benefits of chanting Om, and even blowing the shankh. Thyroxine hormone secreted from the thyroid gland, therefore also responsible for the height increment. The next is the Ganesh Mudra. So Ganesh Mudra is done. You just kind of making a half feast of your finger, and goes this like this. And it can be also performed the either way, like both the hands. So Ganesh Mudra and Shankh Mudras are goes kind of with the help of both the hands. The benefits of Ganesh Mudra is it strengthens the cardiac muscles, the muscles of the chest, shoulders, and arms. It also helps to release any pent up tension from the shoulder and chest, boost self esteem and self confidence, provide inner strength for overcoming obstacles, help relieve stress, stimulate the element of fire. Digestion and metabolism problem can be easily cleared with the regular practice. As per the Hindi mythology, Lord Ganesha is considered the remover of all the obstacles, making one learn to fight the day-to-day challenges. So many people have a problem of their day-to-day challenges. They don't know how to handle those only simple day-to-day challenges, which actually happens maybe every day, but they have a tension of that also. So this mudra really helps out in that thing. Next is a Surya Mudra. Surya Mudra is going to go, the thumb is going on the third finger. It's going on the third finger like this. Benefits of Surya Mudra, it recommended to practice this mudra every day for 30 to 45 minutes either and all at once or 3 times a day for 10-15 minutes. Practicing Surya Mudra has following benefits: increase heat in the body, improves metabolism, promoting weight loss, helps in treating the flu, strengthens the eye and improve vision, reduce stress, improve digestion, and more. So it is also going to help us for weight loss. Of course, Surya Mudra, it's like a Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is also called as a wholesome exercise. It is a combination of 8 yogasanas. Very much, if a person is not doing any physical activity and performs 20 Surya Namaskars in the morning and 20 in the evening, 40 in a day, have no problem in the body. Surya Namaskar is very powerful, same as a Surya Mudra. It's going to increase your metabolism like a magic. And of course, in the winter time here, I mean in Chicago, yes, we really need heat on the body. Sometimes when you feel really cold, Surya Mudra helps to increase the heat in the body. Same way, Surya Pranayam, Surya Bhedi Pranayam also helps. If we have time today, we'll go ahead and see a little bit of pranayamas. Otherwise, I will see if there is no speaker coming next time. Sometime we will see the pranayam that time also. This is a Shunya Mudra. Shunya Mudra. It's on the second finger and thumb on the up is a Shunya Mudra. Benefits of Shunya Mudra helps you get rid of earache. Sorry. It helps to calm a restlessness and anxious mind. Shunya Mudra helps in Vata constitution. Sorry, can you please close the door? This mudra helps in feeling the numbness, pain in body parts like chest, stomach, head, etc. It increases space element within the body. This mudra helps to overcome travel sickness or vertigo. So vertigo is I don't know if you guys know vertigo is it's such a terrible sickness that when you even move your head like this right to left, you'll have such a dizziness that you are not able to handle it. You kind of have to have in the bed. You look fit, but you're not fit. Vertigo is such a terrible thing. Okay. Next is a Vayu Mudra. First finger and thumb on the up shows the Vayu Mudra. I'm gonna go on the benefits now. Benefits of Vayu Mudra is apart from the air balance, Vayu Mudra is known to tackle many other problems like the following. It helps regulate and balance the air element within your body. Heals and treats you against any air imbalance disease. Reduce extra air from stomach and body. Tightens and strengthens your chest. Relieves you against chest pain. Builds immunity for your body against cold and cough. It is also very useful against paralysis. It helps fight against any crack or disorder in neck. Next is a Vishnu Mudra. Vishnu Mudra is you guys must know this one a lot because we use this one during our pranayam Anulom Vilom, very famous one. So first two fingers fold. We usually hold it with the thumb and we leave it on our lap. So that's Vishnu Mudra. Vishnu Mudra. Pranayama is thought to balance the left and right side of the brain. In addition to range of physical benefits, Nadi Shodhan skills still the mind for meditation, improves concentration and reduce stress. This mudra always used for Anulom Vilom, Surya Bhedan and Chandra Bhedan Pranayam. That is Nadi Shodhan. It improves emotional as well as physical energy. It also reduces mental and physical stress. It is quite beneficial in case of headache or migraine. Treats condition of constipation, gastric acidity, allergy problems, and snoring. Cures asthma, headache, migraine, neurological problem, heart blockage, and depression. It increases oxygen supply in the entire body. It decreases stress and anxiety. Blood pressure and diabetes can prevent and keep under control with the regular and dedicated practice of this pranayama. It improves concentration and also calms the mind. Regular practice of Vishnu Mudra keeps the mind cool, assists in dealing with the stress, anxiety, and anger. It cools down the body, brain, and nervous system. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing now. Apart from a joke, the Vishnu Ji will also help you to get Lakshmi Ji at your home. So practice Vishnu Mudra.
I think that's the most difficult mudra. If you see that Vishnu Mudra, you cannot even use your thumb to hold your two fingers.
No, it's easy. I mean, with the practice, it will happen, Sajal.
No, but
this is,
if you look at the thumb, You cannot use your thumb to hold the
Bhabhi, we
fingers.
cannot hold it with the thumbs. We have to leave it mudra like this
So
only.
that
We
is,
cannot
yeah,
hold
so
it.
that is it's the most difficult mudra.
We usually do it with the hand because then it's easier to do it, and then one will say, this is how, I mean, we do it every day. I do it every day. One hand goes here and the other will anyways gonna go like this. So it will help. It helps like this only. With the Anulom Vilom, Nadi Shodhan, Surya Bhedi, Chandra Bhedi, we only use this like this. And it works. It just couple of days practice you need for this. I know it hurts in the beginning, but with the practice you'll be able to do it. It's not that bad. It all comes with the practice, of course.
So
I've
I
been
hope
doing the
everybody took.
mudras.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry.
No,
No,
no, go ahead.
I
Go
was
ahead.
just going to say that I've been doing the mudras for almost a year now since COVID started. And it is when I go for walk, one after the other, 20 minutes each. And that's how I finish for the day.
Oh, very nice. That is very good
the,
idea,
the
actually.
prana, and then this one, I
Yes.
don't know all the names, but I do one after the other.
But that's okay. I mean, I personally, I don't remember all the names
And
either.
then
I
the
practiced
mudra
some of
master I
them and I
learned from,
remember them. Yes.
the mudra master I learned from, he said this is for COVID too.
Okay. Okay. Oh, that's very
So,
good to know.
so that's what I end up doing at the end of it.
Okay.
Asha, you wanna probably take a picture of that mudra and put it in the group for everybody.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
I'll do that.
Yes. That is
So I was just saying what I was saying, and that there's so many mudras that she talked about. I am very sure you must have only remember one or two. So the best thing is you can, and I know Parvesh is shaking her head. It's like, what did she just do? But I think now if you wanna, Komal, slowly go ahead and show each mudra and let them just practice the mudra on the hand, so that at least.
Can I just share the screen again and then we can practice with
Yeah,
that?
just the mudra
screen is fine.
screen rather
Yes,
than.
I will stop on the mudras.
So let them practice and hold for like couple
Let's see.
minutes.
So first of all, this one is, can you see my screen now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So first is like this thumb shows fire, air. I mean, if you want to draw in your book, if you carry the book during the session, go ahead and draw it. First is the thumb shows fire. The first finger is air, space, earth, and water. So these are like all 5 elements staying here on our fingers. So go on the next one. This is a pran mudra. So for last 2 fingers and the thumb. You can practice a little bit. And if you want, I can also share you the pictures and benefits of mudras on your in the group maybe, but it's gonna be too much to share. And if you guys are okay with that, I will share it. Let me know. And this is the benefit of the prana mudra. Apana mudra helps for digestion. Murugi mudra also. So middle 2 fingers and the thumb, tip of the middle 2 fingers and the thumb.
So it's a space and space, fire, and the middle 2 is, I know the first last is
Space,
fire,
earth, and space, earth, and fire. Yes.
Earth, water, space,
So,
air,
See,
fire.
the best
yes.
thing you can remember is your thumb is fire and the pinky finger is water. It's like, you know, they're opposites of each other. And then the middle one is the space. Then you can fill in the rest too, the first and the third.
See, the pinky finger is easy to remember. Like, you know, when we were all kids in India back home, if we have to use the restroom, that's what we
We
used
used to
say.
do this. That's
That's a
amazing.
good one.
Yeah, I mean, I just remember, like, how am I going to remember all this? Then immediately when she said water for the pinky, oh, now it makes sense why we used to use that when in back
Who
home.
is
Yes,
this? Priya?
yes.
Mahi,
This
okay.
is my
Mahi.
That was nice.
Awesome. Very nice. So this is a Varun mudra. Varun is again like a
Air.
air. Yes, but I don't know why the mudra is like this. So I don't know why mudra is like this, but this is how it is.
Because the
See,
first
one of
finger
the
is
things-
air, right? The first finger is air.
But we are not moving the, is it first? No, it's the last finger.
No, I'm saying, yeah, but okay.
The three are
Fire
fire.
and water.
The three
Fire
are,
and
Fire
water.
and water balances the air probably in the
Yeah.
body.
Yes, yes, fire and water, yes.
Okay.
See, this is like a
the-
test for everybody.
I
Let's
know.
remember all the fingers. This is
the
really be helpful. Actually.
Prithvi, that's why I said sorry. I didn't prepare much about it, so I mean, I'm just gonna go with the flow.
This is fire and what? Let's see. Water ke baaju mein earth. Fire and earth.
Okay.
The first one is air. So that
So it actually
Namhi
tells you
hai
Prithvi
Prithvi.
Mudra. So Prithvi is the earth again. So third
Hmm.
finger is earth and
Prithvi.
fire. Right? Earth and fire.
Earth and fire.
So are you guys doing these all mudras by sitting Vajrasana or Padmasana or in any pose we can?
You can do it in any pose. When you're watching TV during that time, if you want to practice, like if you want to like some specific mudras, you can do it in any pose. And mudras are like you can do it after eating, before eating. It doesn't really matter with mudras. It's not like yogasana or pranayama that you have to have the empty stomach. With mudras, you can do it anytime.
See, I
So that
learned
is
from
like-
this mudra specialist from India. He's like an 85-year-old. He used to be an engineering professor in my town, and then
Wow.
he's now 85, 90. No medicines, no diseases, nothing.
Yes.
So after he retired from his professor position, this is what he does all the time. And one of the things he said was, yeah, like you said, you can, while watching TV, if you cannot do it in both hands, just do in one hand. If
Even
you
when
do
you're
it with
working.
both hands, it is a lot of power, but you can do one hand at a time. If you are with people, put it inside your pocket and keep doing it. Go ahead.
so what we do with it, just hold it like this, that's it?
That's all.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. You hold it like it tells them like 20 minutes a day at least to see the benefits.
20
So if
minutes
you do
at-
it-
at one sitting?
No, you can break it out. It's in the beginning, it's not possible for us to hold 20 minutes at a single go because our fingers start getting hurt.
Yeah, they'll
So
freeze
if you-
right there, yeah.
Yeah, if you practice, it will happen with the practice. But yes, 20 minutes a day, any mudra will give you benefits for sure. Yes, Rinki, that you have any question?
No, I don't have any question. I just wanted to add there are some mudras for our specific chakras too. I just wanted to add that.
They are not all mudras. This is I just got like the basic one. There might be more
I think
more and
Rinki,
more.
you shared in the group, right? One of the picture, or did you just share it with me?
I guess I shared with you. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because
I will share. Those are
yeah.
chakras, mudras also. So I will share that in the group.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, there are
Okay.
mudras for chakras too. Yeah.
Yes, there might be so many mudras. These are like the main ones which we usually see I learned during Reiki and when I was doing yoga training, was very basic mudras. So the Shankh mudra, we know the Shankh is very important. So put your thumb in here, make a fist, and then bring it like this, and it creates the shape of Shankh. And you can do it with the both hands. So once your right thumb went in, the next your left thumb can go in, make a fist, and then touch your thumb to your fingers. Okay. Without pictures, it's hard to remember, and I totally understand. And it's okay if you don't remember in one go. Don't worry. Ganesh mudra is like this, like holding hand in a hand.
Do we have to stretch too or just hold it?
No, just hold it. You can just leave it on your lap. I'm just showing you. That's why I'm kind of like this, not stretching. Okay. Surya Mudra. So if possible, your third finger, push it down here because the acupressure points on the tip. It really helps when it goes like this. And when you press your thumb on your third finger here, it again press here too. So it got pressure here and the pressure here. Okay, exactly like the picture.
Yeah, there will be confusion between the Prithvi Mudra will be the tip and the Surya Mudra will
Surya
be,
Mudra is on the
yeah, it's
top.
a bit
Yes,
confusion. Yeah.
it's okay. You can
Prithvi
just
Mudra is with two fingers, first two fingers, and the Surya Mudra is with second finger. Only one finger, I should say.
okay. Shunya Mudra. Then Vayu Mudra, first finger fold and thumb on the top. Then goes as Vishnu Mudra. Okay, we need to please Lakshmi ji, so keep doing Vishnu Mudra. You can do it with the practice. It happens with the practice. Okay, I don't want to start Anulom Vilom.
Kamal, do the two fingers, these two fingers have to be straight because, do we want it to be
It's
straight?
gonna be
With the
straight. Yes,
practice, yeah, with the practice.
with
Initially
the
it will
practice,
split.
it will happen.
Initially it does
Oh,
split. Yeah,
initially
even
it
for
will
me,
does,
it
but-
does split. But later on, when you'll be able to do it, if you practice, you will be able to bring them together.
Okay, so they should be together is how we should
They should
practice
be,
practice
yeah.
to make them together.
Mhm.
Yes.
But initially you might not be, because when you put a strain, like see this, there is no strain up here. But as soon as you start putting this together, you will feel a strain right there.
Yeah.
So you have to practice for that.
Can we put a string there? I mean, can we tie them?
You-
Possible? No,
We
I'm
don't know.
serious.
That's a good one. I
but
don't know if we can tie
I
them.
don't know. I don't think so. With the string also it will help, because then you'll have to be really tight, and
Yeah.
the string will stop the blood circulation. So it's better if you, within a week, if you practice every day, you'll master it.
Yes.
Actually,
I was not
can I
able to do it.
Can I say
Yes,
something?
Ramya. Yes,
So-
yes, Ramya.
When you do pranayama, it will automatically come. You really don't have
It
to
will
worry.
come. Yes. In the beginning, when I started pranayama, I
Yes.
was not able to bring it together. And I
That's
was not able to even do it more than 5 Anulam Vilom because my fingers used to started getting tired. And I was like, no, this is like something terrible pranayam which I am practicing. But now I can do it very
right.
easily.
This is how we hold. So it will
Yes.
automatically
Yes.
come.
Yes,
Yeah.
it comes, of course.
And friends, we
Rami,
have one of the speaker coming on 1st or 2nd May.
you
She is a
said
yoga
second.
specialist, and she is going to talk about something on the spirituality. But you can ask all these questions to her. She's certified yoga instructor, and we've been learning from her from almost a year now. And so you can ask all these questions. She would have more finesse. Should have more with finesse. So
Yes.
let's see.
Prachi, do you have 24 hours in a day or more day? How more hours? How can you do all this in 24 hours? Do a lot.
That's
of
magic.
things. Oh my God.
Everybody asks us this question, but you know what? When you want to do it, your 24 hours is enough.